Hi everyone, it's Miss Sam from the Levittown Public Library, and I hope you enjoyed our story yesterday, Escargot by Dashka Slater. And today we're going to be making our very own escargots, or your little snail buddies. So the very first thing we need to do is we need to collect our materials. So the first thing that we need is some construction paper. The color that you use is up to you. We're going to be making our snail and we're going to be making a leaf for him to sit on. So if you want to use green construction paper and then whatever color you want your snail, that would be great. Or if you want to use white construction paper and then just color it, you can do that as well. You're also going to need some scissors, something to color with, and a glue stick, or if you don't have a glue stick, tape or a stapler would work just as well. Okay, so once we have everything collected, the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to make our snail. So we're going to take our construction paper and we're going to cut one really long, thick slit. So it'll just look like this. Okay. So now once we do this, this is going to be the body of our snail. And in order to make his head, we're going to take this and we're just going to draw a box down, across, and up, just like that. And then we're going to cut that box out. So when we have it all cut out, it's going to look like this. Now, if you want to make the tops of the antennas that stick up a little rounded, you can, or if you want to leave them just straight, you can do that as well. Now, this is going to be our snail's head. So if you want, if you have some googly eyes, you can glue some googly eyes up there, or you can draw on a little smile. Or if you don't have googly eyes, you can always just draw little eyes like I did on this one. Okay. Now the next thing we need to make is the leaf that he is sitting on. So if you would like to go outside and find a leaf, if you're taking a walk with your family, you can do that and you can use a nice dried leaf. If not, then you can also make one out of paper. So that's kind of what I did today. I made one like this. So in order to make that shape, you're just going to make a hump like that, and then I just turn my paper over, and then I do another hump like that, and then I just make sure that they connect at the end. And then I cut that out. And then when I cut that out, it's going to look just like this. And now to make it look like a real leaf, I can color it green, and then I usually make like the little veins that you see on the leaf. So what I do is I do a line across the middle, and then I do just some veins sticking from the bottom. So just like that. Okay? Once you have those all together, you're going to take your snail buddy just like this, and we're just going to curl him all the way up so that he reaches like that. And then we'll let it down just a little bit so his head sticks up, and then you can see his rounded body just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick a little piece of tape there, or I'm going to use my glue stick and I'm going to glue it just like that. So I take my little piece of tape and I'm going to tape it just like that so that he stays nice and curled, just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my leaf, and then I'm going to stick a little piece of tape on the leaf, or if you have glue, you can glue it. And then that's just where he's going to sit, just like that. And then we have our nice little snail friend, just like him.
You can send pictures of your creations to childrens@levittownpl.org, and we'll share them on our social media. We can't wait to see what you make. Happy crafting!